Hi friends, welcome to Simple Ample. Myself Praveen. On this video today we will learn how to enable dark mode across most of your applications on Android. This feature why I'm showing because most of the applications or maybe few of the applications may not have a dark mode feature or a button yet. So that is the reason what I am doing is today I will show you with one feature which is there on your Android phone that will make most of your application turn into dark mode. So without much delay, what we'll do is let's head back to settings. Click on settings. All you have to do is you have to first click on display. So here what I will do is I will enable the dark mode particular button which will show me turn on now, turn on as scheduled, apply on wallpapers. So if it is disabled on your phone, what you do is you just enable this. By enabling this, few of your applications on your phone will also get turned into a dark mode if the feature is not there or if feature is not inbuilt. However, the dark mode will be forcefully enabled to few of the applications on your Android phone. So this is one step of doing this. By this, your phone will get into dark mode as well as few of the applications of your phone get into dark mode. And also friends, this will save most of your phone battery, and by that you can use your battery for a longer duration. Okay, also there is another option. What you do is you have to go back and scroll down until you see the developer options. Friends, for this is developer options is one hidden feature or a hidden button which is not visible directly on your Android phones. So what you have to do is I have given a link how to enable the developer mode on your phone right below in the description. Watch that video, you will know how to enable the developer mode or developer options on your phone. After enabling this developer options, what you do is click on the developer options, and here there is another button called, so just scroll until you see force dark mode under wallpaper. Okay, which will be under developer options. Click on that specific feature, and usually this particular feature or a button will be disabled for the first time. Hence what you do is after enabling developer options, come back to this particular button and enable this. After enabling this, what happens, most of your applications, as it is mentioned here, force apps to use dark mode even if not fully supported. That means if applications are not supporting the dark mode or they don't have any default feature to enable dark mode, this enabling this button will make them get turned into a dark mode. So let me show you some examples. As you know, Facebook doesn't has a dark mode feature yet, Facebook application on your phone, but after enabling this particular button, I will take you to Facebook application to show you that Facebook app is fully in dark mode. Right now Facebook doesn't has a default dark mode enabling feature yet, but after enabling this feature you can make your Facebook look into a dark mode. Also there are other applications which is Messenger. However, Messenger already has got a dark mode feature. You can enable that. uh, and Twitter too has a dark mode feature. Let's go to other application. Let's say YouTube Music. For instance, YouTube Music doesn't has a dark mode yet, but you can see after enabling that force dark mode, my YouTube Music is totally into dark. And let's go to some other applications such as Hangouts. Friends, see, Hangouts doesn't has a dark mode feature, but after enabling the force dark mode, Hangouts looks into a dark mode and it has turned into a dark mode. Google Ads has a dark mode, YouTube has a dark mode, and what else we can go? We can go to Assistant. Let's see Assistant. See, Assistant currently is into dark mode. As currently, Google Assistant doesn't has a dark mode yet, but after enabling that feature, Google Assistant 2 has turned into a dark mode. So like this, most of your Android applications, they automatically turn into a dark mode by enabling that one settings feature, and this will be helpful for you to reduce your phone battery. So that will make sure that like your consumption of battery will be less, so that you can enhance your efficiency of your mobile. And one more thing, you may not find this feature in most of the phones. uh, if you have Android version 9, 10 and 10 plus, and any of your high-end Galaxy phones which has these operating systems, definitely this feature will be there under developer options. If you don't find, you don't have to worry much, because as I've showed you in this video, the very first option under display, you can enable dark mode. By that, most of your applications will definitely turn into dark mode. In case if you would like to enforce dark mode across all the applications, you need to have higher end Android operating systems. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, Simple Ample. Have a great day.